Do you like to go hiking?
Yes, hiking in the mountains is wonderful.
Have you ever traveled by train?
Yes, I've taken the train to different cities.
What's your favorite type of fruit juice?
I enjoy fresh orange juice.
Do you like to visit art galleries?
Yes, I appreciate various forms of art.
Have you ever been on a road trip?
Yes, I've gone on long road trips with friends.
What's your favorite type of sandwich?
I love a classic turkey and cheese sandwich.
Do you enjoy going to the zoo?
Yes, I like seeing animals from around the world.
Have you ever tried rock climbing?
No, it seems challenging, but I'd like to.
What's your favorite type of cake?
I can't resist a moist chocolate cake.
Do you like to watch documentaries about nature?
Yes, they teach us about our planet's beauty.
Have you ever ridden a bicycle built for two?
No, but it sounds like fun.
What's your favorite type of breakfast cereal?
I enjoy crunchy granola with yogurt.
Do you enjoy going to the theater to watch plays?
Yes, live performances are captivating.
Have you ever tried ice skating?
Yes, it's a fun winter activity.
What's your favorite type of soup?
I like a hearty chicken noodle soup.
Do you like to go to the beach and build sandcastles?
Yes, it's a creative way to enjoy the beach.
Have you ever visited a botanical garden?
No, but I'd like to explore one.
What's your favorite type of pie?
I enjoy a slice of apple pie with ice cream.
Do you like to go to amusement parks and ride roller coasters?
Yes, it's thrilling.
Have you ever gone ziplining?
No, but it's on my adventure bucket list.
What's your favorite type of muffin?
Blueberry muffins are delicious.
Do you enjoy going to science museums?
Yes, they're educational and fun.
Have you ever gone snorkeling in the ocean?
No, but I'd love to see coral reefs.
What's your favorite type of salad dressing?
Ranch dressing is a classic favorite.
Do you like to visit historical landmarks?
Yes, it's like stepping back in time.
Have you ever tried paddleboarding?
No, but it looks like a great workout.
What's your favorite type of candy?
I have a sweet tooth for gummy bears.
Do you enjoy going to the circus and watching acrobats?
Yes, it's impressive to see their skills.
Have you ever been to a spa for a massage?
No, but it sounds relaxing.
What's your favorite type of salad?
I like a Caesar salad with lots of dressing.